How to claim free gifts on Temu. You want to load up the Temu app, make sure you are signed into your account, and then you will click on You at the bottom. So once you click on You, it's going to show you this, and you will have history, win reward. You want to click on win reward, and it is going to take us to this section, win your freebie and all items free. So you can choose whichever one you want. Here I'm going to click on win my gift, and you will begin picking your first gift, and it's going to show you some different items which you can choose from. And let's just choose this one, and I will pick this free gift, and it's going to show us how much it usually costs, but for us it is going to be free. Alright, so that's going to be how you can pick your gift. Now you can proceed to pick another gift here, but I'm just going to go back for now and leave this promotion so I can show you the second one. And it's going to show us all items for free. Once you click on it, it's going to show us where it's available. For us, it's not going to be available in our region in the United States, but when you're freebie here, you can continue to pick your gifts. So for example, let's do these lens caps, and again, it's going to show us how much it's going to cost usually. Boom. And once you have chosen your things, you will need to add an address. You will need to add an address, and once you confirm your address, it is then going to proceed to the checkout page, and once you check out, you will be able to claim those gifts for free. So I hope this helps and answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.